Hey, it's Cliff, and the channel recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna give away my first AdSense paycheck to one subscriber. You know, when I started this channel, it was really just because I don't have any friends that are into investing. So I've had a lot of fun posting these videos and then being able to communicate with the people down in the comments section. That's probably my favorite thing about YouTube. So just to kind of give you a too long didn't read, I want to show you how YouTubers make money with AdSense. So let me go ahead and pull this up, and I'll try to make it really quick. So basically, what we have here on my channel is playback base CPM. That's cost per milli. And this just populated today. I went through the monetization process. It took me about 4 days to apply and everything for them to review my channel and sort through and see which of my videos were ad friendly and which weren't. So yeah, CPM, it's cost per milli. This is the amount that advertisers are willing to pay YouTube to play ads on videos. So that's the amount YouTube is going to receive. Based on that number, YouTube gives me 55% of that number. So that's about $6 or so. It's five and some change. But that number is your RPM, which is revenue per milli. And that's the amount that they're gonna pay me. So because my channel was just monetized, a lot of people are saying that this number is probably going to fluctuate and it's probably going to go up. Now, I don't know. I'm new to YouTube in general, so I'm kind of just waiting to see what kind of data they pull, how the numbers change, that kind of thing. And also the time of the year can kind of affect the different CPM rate. But I did a quick Google search, and it shows here trading and investing. Usually the CPM is around $8 to $18. So that's pretty fair. So basically what we have our CPM, cost per million, it's cost per 1,000 views, right? YouTube is paid that, and then the content creator receives 55% of the CPM, and that is the RPM. So my RPM, based off of what this number is showing right now, is around $6 or so. So for every 1,000 views, they're gonna pay me around $6, which is pretty good, especially for doing something that is just really fun. Now, if I take my last month's views, I made about 25,000 views. So if we do the math at $6, that's like $150 that YouTube will pay me, and they pay you once per month. Now, the way this works, you have to have $100 in your you have to be paid $100 before they'll actually give you the money. So let's say I only pull in like $80. The way this contest is gonna work is that $80 will move over to the next month. So let's say this month I make $80, and then the next month I make $100. It's gonna be $180 that the subscriber actually receives. So whatever is deposited in my bank account for that first paycheck is what you'll get. Maybe my views go up, maybe they go down. It just depends on what's happening on YouTube at the time in my channel. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see what they get, but just know that it won't go below $100. So anyway, here's how it's gonna work. So to be in this contest, obviously you got to be a subscriber, right? This is for my community, so you definitely need to be a subscriber. Number two, we just want you to list a comment down below on what positive thing that you're gonna do with this money. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy elaborate. We're not trying to dig deep into your life or anything. But it could be something simple like, I want to take my wife out to eat and that's gonna help our marriage, or maybe I'm gonna pay on my car, or something like that. I just want to know that whatever this money is going to, it's going to positively affect you in some way, and hopefully help that you can achieve your financial independent goals. So that's pretty much all I'm shooting for. So all you gotta do, subscribe, comment something positive down below, and that's it. Whatever is deposited into my bank account, that is exactly what you will get. And I figure we can kind of brainstorm how I can send this to you. Probably depends on the individual person. Maybe you want Sologenic sent to your wallet. There's a lot of people on my channel that like Sologenic. You want some Corium. I don't really care. We'll figure that out. At this point, just comment down below, be subscribed, and we will kind of wait until my channel hits that $100 threshold so they can actually pay me out the money. And another thing, because I talk to you guys frequently in the comment section, I don't want this to seem biased. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my wife go through the comment section, and she's going to be the one that picks the comment. So there's going to be no bias there, and it, should seem more fair that way. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Thank you guys again for sticking around and watching videos on my channel and commenting. I really appreciate it, and I'm having a lot of fun with this. So yeah, thank you guys.